event, there was a day nilimwona Kawangware, the young lady amesema alimwona Kawangware akifanya drug awareness campaign. So nikamwambia because niko criminal graduate, naweza msaidia at least kufanya awareness about this drug abuse and watu wakuwa aware about drug abuse. So nilikuwa nimeprepare at least a small script yenye naweza waeleza effects and drugs vile zina ruin maisha ya youth huku streets. So nilikuwa nimeprepare in English, juu Kiswahili maybe ni ngumu kidogo. So I'll take you through less than 30 minutes. I'll be through. So the heading, because nilitengeneza kama PDF, after just go through, I'll share with him. Then if you are willing to go through it, atashare na nyinyi tena. So the title is Drug and Drug Abuse Awareness Campaign at DC Children's Home. So drug is a substance when taken changes the normal functioning of the body. As you know right now, uko stable and you are feeling good. But once you take a drug, there is something change, emotion ya body yako change, utaanza kufeel vitu zingine zenye hazifai. So drug when taken ina change normal feeling of someone. So from there we have categories of drugs. Kuna those drugs naitwa depressants. Depressant drugs are meant for stimulation of various parts of the brain. So those drugs that stimulants and depressants meant for stimulation of various parts of the brain. Like sahi uko stable hivi, lakini kuna drug yenye ukitake at least akili itaanza kukimbia mbio, which means here inakimbia making you una make right decision, but you end up making wrong decision. So those are depressant drugs. Then kuna stimulant drugs. They are drugs that increases attention and alertness. They increase attention, but as increase attention when doing something good. They increase attention when you are doing bad things, when you add value onto your life. Those are called stimulant drugs. Kuna those zenye zinaitwa hallucinogen. These are drugs that change the alteration in thoughts. Yani there are those drugs that when you take, yani kwa fikira zako utaanza kufikiria vitu zingine hazifai. Maybe umesema for example unachukua drug bangi, unavuta alafu unaanza kuwa na different thoughts like unataka kufanya suicide, mara unataka kuinvolve yourself in criminality. So there are those drugs zenye zinaweza kuaffect uanze kufanya vitu zenye hazifai. So from there kuna those causes of drug abuse among youth and teenagers. You know, always anza kuabuse drugs kama hakuna cause. Lazima kuwe na cause inafanya uanze kuabuse drugs. So among the causes, environmental factors. Kuna those environmental factors zenye zinafanya sisi kama youth tunaanza kuabuse drugs. So utapata examples of those through that environmental factors. Utapata this is triggered by lack of parental care. So utapata mtoto ameanza grow, then ana parental care yenye at least mzazi anaweza muonesha the way this is good, this is bad. So utapata ameanza kuengage in small groups hizi zenye unasikianga zinaitwa sijibo.